credit voucher. Next, credit voucher. Next, debit account amount. Next, credit account, serial number 1, 2, the account name, amount, narration is authorized by and prepared by. Next, journal voucher, the format of journal voucher. The transaction with a multiple debit and multiple credit are called compound transactions, and the accounting voucher prepared such transaction known as complex voucher or journal voucher. The format of the accounting, the journal voucher, you have to say in the format of the transaction voucher. The transaction with multiple of debit and multiple of credit called compound transaction, and the accounting voucher prepared for such a transaction is known as journal voucher. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅನೇಕ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಅದು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಂಥದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇಂತೀವಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಖಾತೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ವೋಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ವೋಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ದಾಖಲೆಗಳು ಅಂತ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ವೋಚರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಜರ್ನಲ್ ವೋಚರ್. ಸೇಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫರ್ಮ್, name of firm. Next, voucher number, next, date. Next, debit account, serial number. Next, account name, amount, narration. code. And serial number. Next, continuation, credit account, credit account, same format, continuation, serial number, code, serial number, code, account name, amount, next, narration. Authorized by, prepared by. Next, what are the features? These are the four types of the format of vouchers. One is cash voucher, means it is a transaction voucher, debit voucher, and credit voucher, and journal voucher. Is prepared by the accountant and authorized by the persons will be signatured here. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತಯಾರಿಸಿರ್ತಾನೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಅವನು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಧಿಕೃತವಾಗಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಸಹಿಯನ್ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ. ಅಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಚೀಫ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು. ಇದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಯಾರು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಲೆಕ್ಕತಜ್ಞನಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಸಹಿಯನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು, what are the features of accounting vouchers? Next, last one, Features of accounting voucher. Accounting voucher. The design of accounting vouchers depend upon the nature, requirement and convenience of the business. There is no set format of an accounting voucher. The distinguish various vouchers in different colors, papers and different fonts of printing are used. Some of the specimen accounting voucher are given in the earlier in the topic pages. Accounting voucher must be contain the following essential elements, because the format of the vouchers will be different colors. There are some pink colors and white colors and yellow colors are prepared by the owners of the businessman. So the different colors of paper, because one is customer, another one is some of the transport company and one is retained in the owner of the business, must be kept in future reference, because these are the formats are very useful for the in future from concerned authorities for tax and also some of the important aspects of the concerned authorities. That receipt must be contain the following essential elements. First one, it is written on a good quality paper. It is written in good quality paper. Second one, name of the firm. Name of the firm must be printed on the copy. For example, Suma Agencies, Davangere. Next, date of transaction, the field up against the date in the voucher. For left side, your date column will be given. We have to in which date that the transactions will be transaction will be recorded on the date. Third one is the number of vouchers is to be in a serial order, because the so many articles will be purchased by the businessman. In such situation, the each and every receipt must be contained. We have to serial number will be given, so that these receipts must be contained all the middle of the pages. We have to the topic of the printed on the top of the letters, and name of the account to be debited or credited of the mention. Third one is the debit and credit must be amount written in figures against the amount. Next, the persons of who prepare the bill must be prepared by the persons or accountant, must be signed by the on the right side, and the last one is the authorized person will be left side on the signature of the each and every receipt. These are the main aspects of the accounting voucher. Next, we have to discuss about the next topic. We will accounting, what is accounting equation, what are the debit and rules and credit rules. It must be important for the examination point of view. Thank you one and all.